Let's be real for a second. What if the most important things your partner wants from you are the things they will never, ever ask for out loud? We're about to get into the unspoken actions that can totally transform your relationship. We're going beyond the big, flashy stuff and focusing on the small gestures that actually matter.
It's a powerful thought, right? This isn't about trying to read minds. It's about learning a completely different language of connection. And today, we're going to break down exactly what that language sounds like. But before we jump in, hey, if you're into building better relationships, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button and the little bell. That way, you won't miss out on our next breakdown.
Okay, let's get into it. The foundation for everything starts right here, with strength and mutual respect. And I'm not talking about physical strength. We're talking about a much deeper, more attractive force: personal integrity.
This might sound a little backward, I know, but this whole foundation is built on your ability to say no. Look, this isn't about being argumentative or difficult. It's about having your own principles, your own boundaries. A person who just agrees to everything, that's not a partner, that's a people pleaser. And being able to say no shows you have a strong sense of who you are.
Because here's the thing, when you can genuinely say no, it makes your yes mean so much more. It shows that when you agree to something, it's because you truly want to, not just because you're going with the flow. This creates a relationship built on real respect, where it's a true partnership, not just one person calling all the shots. And that respect has to start with you. This isn't about needing to look like a model. It's just about showing that you care. Taking a little time for proper grooming, a good haircut, clean clothes, it sends a really clear message. It says you respect yourself, you respect your partner, and you respect the occasion. It shows your life is in order, and that kind of self-discipline, it's incredibly attractive.
So, once that foundation of respect is in place, we can build on it with actions that create a deep sense of security. This is where you go from just being a nice person to being a truly dependable partner.
You know that endless back and forth? I don't know. What do you want to do? I don't care. What do you want to do? It's exhausting for everyone. Taking the initiative to make a solid plan, like, hey, I booked us a table Friday at 7, be ready by 6:30, is such a massive relief. It takes a huge mental weight off your partner's shoulders. There's actually a name for this. It's called decision fatigue. We all have a limited amount of brain power for making choices every day. So by taking the lead and making the plan, you're not being bossy. You're actually conserving her mental energy for things that matter more. It's a quiet but really powerful way to show you care. And speaking of taking charge, these 5 little words are like an emotional safety net. Don't worry, I got this. When things go wrong, a flight gets canceled, dinner plans fall through, this phrase is a declaration. It tells her she doesn't have to shoulder all the stress by herself. You're there, you can handle it. This next one is a classic for a reason. Offering your jacket when she's cold. It's a simple, nonverbal act of sacrifice. The real point isn't just that she's cold, it's that you're willing to be a little uncomfortable so that she can be comfortable. That small gesture says so much, basically shouting, your well-being is more important to me than my own. Now this one is huge. Defending her in public is one thing, but defending her when she's not even around to hear it, that builds an unbreakable bond. If a friend or family member says something even slightly critical and you immediately shut it down, you're proving that her place in your life is non-negotiable. That creates a level of loyalty that is just unshakable. All right, so you've got respect and security locked in. Now, how do you keep the relationship from just becoming, a routine? This section is all about the intentional things you do to keep that desire and romance alive. You absolutely have to avoid becoming just partners in logistics. Glorified roommates who just manage a household together. Things like flirting, playful touches, inside jokes. That's the language of romance. It constantly reminds her that you see her as a desirable woman, not just the person you split the bills with. Intimacy is a journey, not a race to the finish line. Taking your time and making foreplay a priority sends a powerful message. Her pleasure is the main event, not just a warm-up act. It builds this incredible emotional and physical connection and shows you're paying attention to what she needs and wants. And then there's this. This might be one of the most underrated gestures of all time. A kiss on the forehead. It's totally separate from sexual desire. It is pure affection, pure protection, and pure tenderness. It's something you can do absolutely anywhere to instantly show how much you care on a deeper level. In that one simple move, you're communicating a whole world of emotional support. It's a silent, powerful way of saying, I've got you, you're safe with me, and I absolutely cherish you. It's about connecting soul to soul. And for our last section, let's talk about something that costs you absolutely nothing but pays off in a huge way. The simple power of noticing. This is all about truly seeing the person right in front of you.
Think about it. Generic compliments are fine, but they're forgettable. "You're pretty" is nice, but it doesn't really stick. But specific compliments, they have a massive impact. Praising her character, her intelligence, her sense of humor, the way she handled a tough situation at work, that shows you're paying attention to who she is, not just what she looks like. It validates her whole being.
We all know life gets crazy busy. A quick text in the middle of a hectic day that just says, "Hey, thinking of you," is such a powerful anchor. It literally takes 10 seconds, but it proves that even when you're apart and buried in work, she still has a place in your mind.
This right here is the difference between hearing someone and truly listening. If she randomly mentions a book she wants to read and weeks later you surprise her with it, it's a shock to the system in the best possible way. It proves that the little things she says matter to you because she matters to you.
And finally, whether she spent a little extra time on her hair or picked out a new dress for your date night, notice it. A simple, "Wow, you look absolutely incredible tonight," makes all that effort feel worth it. It makes her feel seen and appreciated. And you did it before she ever had to say a word.
So, we've covered a lot of ground here, haven't we? From showing integrity all the way to noticing the smallest details. So what's the one thing that really ties all of this together? At the end of the day, these aren't just items on a to-do list. They're a mindset. They are a language of unspoken care, communicated through small, consistent, thoughtful actions. It's the language of showing her you care, not just telling her. And that is what builds a strong, lasting, and deeply happy connection. Thanks for hanging out with us for this one. If any of this resonated with you, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming up next. And I'll leave you with a question. What's one thing your partner does, without you ever asking, that makes you feel truly seen and loved? Let us know in the comments below.